question. What's the expected lifespan on the loops?
The half-life study's 500 years.
Oh,
It hasn't been around that long, but most of the warranties are 50 years.
Okay.
I would say, even if they're half right, probably 200 to 250 years.
Is that for the wells or for the pipe?
For the pipe, but that's all that's in the well. Once you drill the well, you put two 1-inch pipes down the well and then fill it.
I mean for the wells where they're joined together, where you're welding them together.
It's stronger than the pipe because it's basically melted material from the pipe that cools and bonds itself back together.
Okay, thanks.
Cost? How does it compare to a dollar per
kilowatt a ton?
compared to other people?
It's twice the price of an air-cooled mechanical system. It's the same price as a 4-pipe chiller boiler system. That's kind of two metrics. Anybody else up here have a question?
So you have a conventional system installed currently?
Yeah.
Houston area, let's say. What's the expected payback for an upgraded day? When will it break?
For a typical residence, for a business, depending on what the business is, I'll give you two metrics. A church that operates twice a week, that really doesn't have much demand on the building, is probably about a 30-year payback. A convenience store with a car wash, we've done a bunch of those, the payback's 6 months. So the payback is based on how much demand is the client going to place on the system. The more you demand from your mechanical system, the faster the payback. No, I put some there. I put some under building.
Well, it's probably hard to put one under a building that's already there.
Yes. Can be done, but
So retention pond's probably not a bad place.
yeah.
Big buildings all have them already.
Right. And we're having to make them bigger
Right.
based on latest storms.
Residential payback?
Probably on average, I would say somewhere between 8 to 12 years, depending on how they use their home. And if you're somebody who's retired and you keep it 72 degree all the time, it's probably going to be close to 7. If you're a working family that turns the thermostat up when you leave and only turn it down when you come home, it's probably closer to 12 or 13. Yeah.
How do you backfill and do you enhance the heat transfer with the backfill?
Yes. There's a whole bunch of different materials depending on what soils you're in and properties, but it's all thermally enhanced to conduct the heat. Most of them can outperform the soil, so the limiting factor is typically the soil.
Do you vibrate it to get it down to?
No, it's pressure graded.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Do you see the paybacks period reducing with time as prices go up for other things and whatnot?
No, in the last 22 years, the payback has almost been the same. As prices go up, everything seems to go up together.
I want to move on, but what I will say about the geothermal heat pump industry, there are very few people that you probably agree with that actually do it, actually install them. When I got my business started, I get a lot of calls about, can I install those? And I don't know where you find the people to install them because there's not a lot of people that actually do this.
Yeah, historically, there wasn't. Now there is.
There are.
With the tax rebates, there's probably 60 or 70 in